Understanding, feeling out of sorts, a guide to English expressions. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase that you might have come across, feeling out of sorts. This expression is a fantastic example of how English speakers convey complex emotions with just a few words. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what this phrase means but also how to use it in your conversations. Let's get started. Feeling out of sorts is an idiomatic expression used to describe a state of being slightly unwell or not in one's usual physical or emotional condition. When someone says they are feeling out of sorts, they might be experiencing a range of emotions from mild discomfort, irritability, or confusion to a sense of being slightly off balance physically or mentally. It's important to note that this phrase usually implies a temporary condition rather than a serious illness or emotional problem. Understanding the origin of idiomatic expressions can often help us grasp their meanings more deeply. The phrase, feeling out of sorts, comes from an old printing term. In typesetting, sorts referred to the blocks of type used for printing. If a printer was running low on specific sorts, they could not complete their work, thus being out of sorts. This term was metaphorically applied to people to indicate that something was missing or not quite right in their state of being. To fully understand how to use this expression, let's look at some examples. I didn't sleep well last night, and I've been feeling out of sorts all day. After her cat passed away, Maria was feeling out of sorts for weeks. He's been feeling out of sorts since he missed that job opportunity. These examples show that the phrase can be used in various situations, ranging from physical discomfort to emotional disturbances. English is rich with expressions that convey similar meanings. Here are a few. Under the weather. This usually implies being mildly ill. Not oneself. Used to indicate that someone is not feeling or behaving as they normally would. Off one's game. Typically used in the context of performance, suggesting that someone isn't performing up to their usual standard. Understanding these similar expressions can enrich your English vocabulary and help you express nuances in your feelings or observations about others. Thank you for watching our explainer on the phrase, feeling out of sorts. We hope this video has not only clarified the meaning and usage of this expression but also given you insights into the richness of the English language. Remember, learning idiomatic expressions is a great way to sound more like a native speaker and to add color to your conversations. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more English learning content. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.